Excuse me, I had a beer. Sorry.
Do your
That
thing.
didn't turn you off?
Nah.
Oh my God, he's
Tequila
getting
to
a
get
shot.
things started.
No.
No.
Both of those are for her.
Man up.
I don't want a tequila.
You can't take a shot?
I don't want a shot.
Is that a mojito for you?
Yes, please. It's actually a pineapple mojito. Thank you.
It's a pineapple mojito.
A pineapple mojito.
What the hell? Excuse me.
Yo.